So you built this business, but you're still stuck. And let me tell you, every founder says the same damn thing. Nobody else can sell it like me. That's the problem. If when you step away from the business, sales dies, then you don't have a business. You have a job. The CoPilot revenue model is what allows you to design a revenue generating machine that a salesperson can step into. You don't want to be chasing a unicorn closer. You want to be able to chase unicorn people. You want world-class people who are on brand, on value, right? They're a great match for who you are. They're sold out to your mission, and they can follow a system. You wrap them in a great offer, a great solution, and a system to run, and they will consistently and predictably overachieve. Most founders never quit the sales operator trap. You're tied to the revenue generation, and if you step out, the revenue dies. Again, that's not a business. That's not a future. That's something that ties you to everything. That keeps you in the business for as long as you're going to have the business. Big mistake is that often you think you just need one good salesperson, and that's all it'll take. The reality is you don't need a great salesperson. You need a machine that a salesperson can operate. Isn't that what you really want? Revenue generation that isn't fully dependent upon you, but something that's not going to ruin your brand, but put you in a position to win. So let me just tell you a little bit about how the CoPilot system works. See, first you build the machine. Building the machine is about revenue generation. It's about recruiting great salespeople. It's about building the systems that allow them to win. Scripts, templates, pipelines, role-playing, sales call audits, the things that keep people on track and hold them accountable to being the best version of themselves. Because after all, we don't typically rise to the level of our talent. We usually fall to the level of our system structure and accountability. Phase 2, running the machine. Running the machine is about pipeline management, sales call audits, role plays, team engagement, creating a culture. You want to create a culture that defines what winning is in your company, because your culture is what ultimately drives your processes. And you want a culture of a standard of excellence, a culture of people wanting to win, a culture of people sold out to your company winning. Because it's not about the team first, or the company first, or the client. It's about the mission. If everything falls together, the mission wins. And when the mission wins, the clients win, the team wins, and the company wins. That's what we're doing here. Phase 3 is about scaling and optimizing the machine. This is about one-to-many opportunities. This is about growing the team. This is about a team and revenue being able to happen whether you're there or not. You want to make sure that the brand is always being represented, because we always know that you spent a lifetime creating a great reputation and an image, and it only takes a minute to burn it. And we never want to do that. We never want to compromise your brand to make a sale. You never want to have a bunch of people who are running roughshod over your clients because they're so busy trying to convert a sale today, when we know that 90% of sales happen tomorrow. And we want to make sure that people are around long enough to buy tomorrow. So you want a system that's going to design that experience so that your salespeople can just continue to move people from one step to the next, show up strong, scale, grow. You are showing up through your brand, through your automation, through your funnels, and most importantly, through your team. That's how you win. That's what having a CoPilot structure is about. And we're going to spend a few minutes breaking down some of those concepts in the videos that are coming. But for today, I want you to be really, really mindful and tap into the reality that you have some work to do first, right? I want to replicate you. You have something that we call founder magic. And founder magic is something that is hard to create in another person. But when you have system, structure, and team, we can replicate your founder magic in other people. And that every person who touches any part of your brand will always feel your touch and feel like they're talking to you and having that experience. What are you doing right now to replicate yourself? And do you even believe it's possible? See, I had a challenge when we first started growing our company that I've always been great at sales. And I believed that as long as I could find people who could sell half as good as me, that we'd be okay. The problem is we attract what we believe. Remember, you're literally manifesting 24 hours a day. Every thought that goes through your head is what you are starting to see and attract. And I started attracting a world of salespeople who were half as good as me. I got news for you. That sucks. You don't want people half as good as you. Once I came to the reality that there were people who were as good as me or better, we started attracting them. And then we started replicating systems and structures that allowed them to step in and do a better job than I was even doing. And the reality is, even if they can only do 80% of what I can do, but it frees me up to do 100% of the things I know I need to do, everybody's winning and your brand is scaling. And then you have a machine. That's what the CoPilot program is about. So if you want out of the sales trap, no longer sales operator, type in CoPilot in the chat. I'll get you the things that you need to know to be able to run, scale, grow your team effectively without you. If you want to see this in action and see how this works, watch this video right here where we break it down with the client so you can see the CoPilot system in action and exactly how it can work for you.